this video, I'm going to show you the painted mask node in detail. I look for the node and link it to two generators already composed using an alpha blend node. To use this node, I need to check Edit Mask. And then I paint the mask values that I want either on the alpha blend node or on the painted mask node. The painted mask acts like all other masks, but I can edit it in real time as often as I want. Several tools are available to adjust your brush, such as size to control its size, intensity to set the colour of the brush, or fall off that hardens or softens the contours of your brush. I can switch the brush to the darker mode to erase parts of my mask. There's also an option Change Mask Size to reset it completely. Let's see the painted mask node in a more complex terrain. Again, it is used to compose two terrains via an alpha blend. My goal here is to enhance my basic composition with a few brush strokes. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon for the next tutorial.